Tired of dealing with weak flushes and outdated bathroom designs? Upgrading to the right one-piece toilet can transform your bathroom into a modern, high-efficiency space. But with so many styles and flush types, how do you choose? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best toilets that combine powerful performance, water savings, and premium comfort. Let's find the perfect throne for your home. Number 1. Casta Diva Elongated One-Piece Toilet. The Casta Diva Elongated One-Piece Toilet is an excellent blend of accessibility and modern engineering. A standout feature is its 17-inch ADA-compliant comfort chair height, which makes sitting down and standing up much easier for seniors or those with mobility issues. The one-piece design doesn't just look sleek. It eliminates the gaps where dirt and grime usually hide, making bathroom cleaning significantly faster and more hygienic. Performance is powered by a high-efficiency dual flush system. You can choose between a 1.1 GPF light flush for liquids or a 1.6 GPF full flush for solids, helping you save water and reduce monthly bills without sacrificing power. It features a standard 12-inch rough-in, making it a versatile fit for most residential bathroom layouts. The elongated white bowl provides extra surface area for added comfort during use. If you are looking for a high-efficiency toilet that prioritizes user comfort and easy maintenance, this model is a top-tier choice. It combines a clean, minimalist aesthetic with the practical benefits of water conservation and ergonomic design for the modern home. Number 2. HOROW T0338W Compact One-Piece Toilet. The HOROW T0338W is a masterclass in space-saving design without compromising on comfort. Despite its compact footprint, which is ideal for small bathrooms or powder rooms, it features an ADA-compliant height of 17.3 inches. This ensures that even in tight spaces, you still get the premium feel of a full-sized chair height seat. Its one-piece construction offers a seamless, sophisticated look that instantly upgrades the visual appeal of any bathroom. This toilet is also a leader in water efficiency, featuring an ultra-low dual flush system of 0.8 and 1.28 GPF. This allows for significant water savings over time while maintaining a powerful, clog-free performance. The standard white elongated bowl is designed for maximum ergonomics. Installation is straightforward due to its compact nature, and the smooth glazed surface prevents waste from sticking, ensuring a fresh bowl after every use. For homeowners who need to maximize their square footage while still wanting a luxurious, high-performing, and eco-friendly toilet, the HOROW T0338W is a perfect solution that balances size and functionality beautifully. Number 3. KE King One-Piece Toilet with Powerful Flush. The KE King One-Piece Toilet is built for those who prioritize raw flushing power and a sleek, contemporary silhouette. It boasts an impressive MAP score of 1000 G, which is the highest industry rating for waste removal, virtually eliminating the risk of embarrassing clogs. Unlike many modern dual flush models, this unit features a traditional side lever flush, offering a familiar feel while still maintaining a water-saving 1.28 GPF flow rate. The design is intentionally sleek and minimalist, with a fully skirted trapway that hides the bulky piping for a much cleaner look. This certified quality construction ensures durability for years to come. The elongated bowl provides superior comfort, and the 12-inch rough-in makes it a direct replacement for most standard toilets. Its high-efficiency performance doesn't just help the environment. It provides peace of mind that every flush will be effective the first time. If you want a toilet that looks like a piece of modern art but performs like a heavy-duty industrial machine, the KE King is a reliable and stylish investment for any household. Number 4. Swiss Madison SM 1T254 St. Tropez. The Swiss Madison St. Tropez is often cited as one of the most visually stunning toilets on the market. Its fully skirted design creates a seamless, uniform look from the tank to the floor, making it incredibly easy to wipe down. The highlight of this model is the dual tornado flush system. Unlike standard gravity flushes, it uses 2 powerful nozzles to create a centrifugal scrubbing action that cleans the entire bowl efficiently with every flush. You have the option of a 0.8 or 1.28 GPF dual flush, ensuring you only use the water you need. For added convenience, it comes with a soft closing seat, ending the nuisance of loud, slamming lids in the middle of the night. The comfort height seating ensures it is accessible for all ages, providing a relaxed experience. With its St. Tropez styling, this toilet brings a touch of European elegance to your bathroom. It is the ideal choice for users who want a smart-looking bathroom with advanced cleaning technology that keeps the bowl sparkling with minimal effort. Number 5. American Standard Champion 4 One-Piece Toilet. The American Standard Champion 4 is a legendary name in the world of plumbing, famous for its no-clog reputation. It features a massive 4-inch piston-action accelerator flush valve, the largest in the industry. This allows water to enter the bowl 3 times faster than a standard toilet, creating a massive force that can move even the heaviest loads with ease. If you have ever struggled with frequent plumbing issues, the Champion 4 is designed to be the ultimate solution. This one-piece model features a chair-height elongated front, providing the same comfort as a standard chair. The vitreous china construction is finished with an ever-clean surface, which inhibits the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew on the surface. This means the toilet stays cleaner for longer between washings. Operating at 1.6 GPF, it focuses on maximum performance and durability. It is a heavy-duty, reliable, and comfortable toilet that is built to last a lifetime. For those who value power and a proven track record of reliability above all else, the American Standard Champion 4 remains the gold standard. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.